From Fresno, California, just finished installing a Bradford White 50-gallon natural gas water heater. This is your model and serial number right here. If you want to go to bradfordwhite.com, you can get this registered, get your warranty going. It's going to be 1 year labor, 6-year parts from Bradford White. We have a 1-year guarantee, all plumbers do, unspoken or written on workmanship. So anyway, start at the top. We did replace the vent pipe. After all, you had one in there, it looked like it was going to work, but it was just 19 years old. So brand new piece of pipe. That is yours right here. That's your ceiling bucket that came with the house. That's our pipe. Adjustable 90, and then of course draft diverter comes with a unit. Over here we replaced the existing gate valve, give you a Watts 3/4 inch full port, quarter turn ball valve, quarter turn on, quarter turn off. And you got copper stubbed out, so your house is copper, that's great. Brass nipple down to a Falcon stainless steel connector. It's a full 3/4 inch inside diameter down to a brass extension. We put that on just because it's got a nice flat surface on the top and there's no conflict with the heat trap or the little heat inserts, the plastic ones that sit on top of the little pipes. Those coming out of the water heater, you can see it, maybe you can't, down there, little pipe stubbed out. Same thing on this side, adapter's yours, and of course that adapter's yours as well, the copper one. Falcon stainless steel connector, no valve required on the hot side, and then a brass extension. And so these are the nipples that come with the unit, and it has a little, like a heat trap, little plastic insert at the top, and it's a little rounded over. This, we put this on because it's got a nice flat surface and it seats well with this connection right here. So anyways, Falcon stainless steel, very expensive. They're full size and they're ultra flexible, so you can bend these real easy, take them off, straighten them out, use them again, whatever you want to do. Anyways, relief valve comes with the unit. Temperature and or pressure reaches a certain point, this will pop off. It's got a, I believe, 150-pound spring. It'll pop off and relieve it out to this line. You've got existing piping is yours, 3/4 inch CPVC all the way up to here. That's your adapter. Falcon stainless steel connector is ours, coming over to a little piece of pipe. This is a drain line only, so it's under pressure. This is under pressure right here from the tank, and this whole device right here is a cup, stainless steel cup, a gasket, a rubber washer in there, a pretty thick one, and then a spring, and that's the way this activates. But no water's ever in that line. If there is something, or there's some, if this has been activated or there's water coming out of this drain line on the side yard, let us know something's going on with the water heater that needs to be addressed. And then of course up top we got you adjustable strap upper third, that's code. Adjustable strap lower third, that's code, and that's all tied in. And then down here we gave you a new shutoff valve. The valve that was on there was the same one. You know, they still manufacture this stuff. It's just 19 years old. These don't tend to leak too much. The older ones actually go from this side of the valve, they go all the way through and it spins, and what happens, the back side, it starts leaking. Then you got to shut it down. PG&E locks you out. You got to get a plumber to come out here, and $250 to $500 for that, which is crazy. This whole assembly and this line is new as well. It's about $25. We tell people our prices because then they know what we're charging. We know what we're charging for the product, and they know what we're charging for labor. And if they want a better price, at least they know what we're offering. And I don't think there's many people that do that besides us. And anyway, so the little cover's back on. We got this set at 120. And I think I covered everything up top. All looks good. I think I'm going to scrape off that tag that's on that pipe up there in just a minute. I'll get back up there and do that. But what you've got here is that temperature is set to 120. Hot, 120. A130, B140, C150, very hot, 160. B140, third degree burns, 3 seconds. At least that's what I've read. You don't need 140, honestly, you're overheating the water. 120 is even a little too hot. You can only stand in it 7 minutes. So if you're taking a 5 to 7 minute shower, certainly you can leave it there. Otherwise you start scalding and you might just want to back it down some. But that's up to you. I don't know what these indicators are, I never asked. This is probably something like 110, I would imagine. 110, and then I don't know what low is, but right there at hot, that's what we leave it for liability purpose, just to show you what we did. I got the cover on right here, drain valve. You can maintain this once a year. You can come out and do the maintenance on this if you're interested in doing it. Great. We don't recommend having a plumber do it because it just adds to the overall cost of the unit. For example, the draining and flushing of this once a year. Some people charge $500 for that. That over a 10-year period, you're going to spend $5,000, and you could just buy 2.5 water heaters and install it brand new every 10 years. So you can do it if you want to, or just let it run. Most people just let things run until it doesn't work anymore, and you got a good run out of yours, 19 years, so that's good. Anyways, everything here looks good. Outside of that, this installation is done.